Hi everyone, this is what the bathroom looks like so far after grouting it and wiping off the excess grout. This is what we're gonna wipe this stuff. We're gonna wipe all this stuff off. Make sure your towel, you can use a towel. I'm using this towel. You know, unfortunately it's in the bathroom, so I would normally be doing this on my hands and knees, but since I'm holding the camera, so just make sure you wipe off all that excess grout. And this is what's great, you can just rinse it. So this is what it looks like so far. In the next video, what I'm going to do is I'm going to talk about this drain hole, which, not the shit hole, or sorry, the poop hole, but I have a drain hole. I have a drain hole that's connected over there, and we're gonna get in the basement. I'm gonna show you all how I did this nice little drain hole in case there's ever an overflow in the bathroom. The water is gonna go in there. So all I'm doing right now is wiping off the excess grout. Look how much we had left over. But we needed it all. In fact, look at that. What is that? That's just, oops. Don't want to put that in our air vent. So we're just cleaning it, and the towel works great. I think it works better than a sponge. So this is what it's looking like so far, and it's nice that with a bathtub you can just wipe off any excess. I'm using warm water. Probably better to use colder water. But in my case, I'm trying to wipe it off. That's why I've got warm water. So doing this nicely with my feet. So this is what it's going to wind up looking like. Really nice. You can see how the edges are pretty flat. It's looking pretty good. So I'm going to just keep on wiping it down, and then we'll finish up the rest of it with putting it in the toilet.